Hi all, in this video let's learn about CSS colors. The first thing when we start learning the CSS, everyone does the first thing is like they will use a color property and they will start learning about the CSS each and every property. So the first property we learn is about CSS color property, and let's learn more about that property. Fine. The first thing is like if you have any of the HTML element, we are going to apply the color to that HTML element like this. You can mention the color name. This is like straight away you can mention the color name as blue, black, red, anything. You can straight away you can mention the color name. So this is a color property, and whatever the value, this you can call this as a color name. You can give blue, yellow, anything. You can give the value which is valid color name. You can give that. So there are almost 140 color names. You can define them straight away here. So this is the first option we have. So let's understand the second and the third most options. So let me define this once again. And now let's learn about this RGB. So RGB. So what does this mean? It is red, green, and blue. So this is the color values which we'll be representing. To this, we are going to pass red, green, and blue as a values. Red, green, blue. These are the three values you're going to modify as a parameters. What does these three parameter values will be defining? So it will tell the intensity of the color. Red, green, blue, it will tell us the intensity of the color. So the values will be ranging from 0 to 255. So these are the values in between you need to give. Fine. What all the values and how to give these values? If you want only the red color, so RGB, and now you will give this value as 255 comma 0 comma 0. Now this represents the color of red. So with the color names, only the if you use only the color names like this, so if you use only the color name, color and its name, so you'll be getting only those values. But if you want to play around some couple of colors, if you want to mix red, green, and blue, these are the light sources. So okay, these are the light sources. So if you mix these three colors, you will be getting a number of colors. So in the intensity in which you are mixing is important for us. If you mix, if you keep this value, the values will be ranging from 0 to 255. So if you give 255 to red, it means and 00 to the other values, it means you are setting the highest value to the red and 0 value to the green and blue. Then you will be getting here as red. Okay, now the color would be red. So similarly, if you want it as black or white, so then you need to give this RGB red, green, blue color as 0, 0, 0. Now this represents the black color. If you want this to make as a white, so it means you will be giving 255, 255, 255. So all things will be of high intensity. If you give all these colors the high intensity, then you will be getting white. If you give all these intensity colors to the 0, then you will be getting black. So based upon these values in intensity, you will be getting the respective color. Okay, fine. This is all about the RGB red, green, blue. So coming to the third option, which we have. So here how you're going to give this is like you will be defining the color, and now you can mention this RGB value like this RGB, and you can give the values like 255 comma 0 comma 0 like this. It means you're asking about the red color. Okay, with the modification of these values, you'll be getting the different colors. Fine. So VS Code will be providing a color picker for us. Whenever you write this color, see, it is showing me the color picker. Whenever I click this, it will be showing me this color picker where I can modify the colors accordingly. But this is apart from our discussion. The VS Code is providing this color picker. So the same thing you can download in your mission, the color picker software, or it will be as a Chrome extension also. With this, you can any of the color in your screen, if you hover on that, it will give its hexadecimal value or RGB value or color name value will be given. Okay, that is a color picker. That is all about the color picker. Fine. The first way is color names. The second way is RGB. Now you understood, right, how the values from 0 to 255 are given. Okay, it is based upon the intensity which you are giving, the color would be decided. Fine. Coming to the third one, so we have the third way is regarding, so let me keep this. So I will comment this out again. Okay, now let's write down these points. Okay, now the third way is like hexa values. You can give the hexadecimal values. So most of the times you'll be seeing some values like this, right? BB, CC, DD like this. Okay, you'll be giving some values. So this value is an hexadecimal value which will represent some color. Okay, how this value would be decided. So let me explain that. So see, this is very much similar to what we have for the RGB, like hash RR. It means red color. Okay, I will keep this in caps: red, GG green, BB blue. So this is what the intensity in this place. While you're defining the hexadecimal values, it would be like this. So what values, what range of values I can give to this? So the range of values are from 00 to FF. So this is what the range of values you can give. This is about the hexadecimal. Fine. So the same way for this RGB, you have the intensity value is from 0 to 255. In a similar way, for this hexadecimal values, you can give this three values, or you can give like this also. This is also a valid one. Okay, fine. You can give six digits, or you can give three digits. That is fine. But mostly we'll be giving the hexadecimal, means we'll be giving 6 digits, and which is 2 digits, or which represents the red intensity. The next 2 digits will represent the green, and the next two will represent the blue. Okay, this is what happens. So for example, if I want to give the red color, only the red color, how I can give that? Hash. Okay, now FF. So I'm increasing the intensity of red color. So I don't want to give the green and the blue. So now this color will represent the red. So this is how you're going to define the colors in the hexadecimal. So likewise, if you want to set it to the black, then you need to give all zeros. Now this color becomes the black. If you want to set this to the white, then you need to give all Fs. And it means you're giving the max intensity, then you will be getting white. If you give the least intensity, then you will be getting black. The similar to what we have discussed here, the same thing applies to here as well. So these are the three major colors pattern we'll be using. One is a color name, the another one is the RGB, red, green, blue, and the another one is a hexadecimal. So this is how you are going to declare. So here in the place of RGB, you will be, let me write one hexa. So this is how just you need to give hash, and you can define FF0000. So this is how you're going to represent the color of hexadecimal. So these are the three basic primary color patterns we need to, like CSS colors, we need to understand. Okay. Further, there are many advanced things like HSL, lab. There are a couple of advanced color setting patterns as well. So if you're really interested, please comment it out below this video. I will do a specific video on how to give the advanced CSS colors as well. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.